Bye, cutie. So what do you have to say about yourself?
Dude, that was the most craziest thing I've done in my life. Wow. Now I gotta take this home and try to fix it now.
What's wrong with it?
Dude, look at this
Oh, the
vent.
bars have vents.
Look at that.
You have rode it worse than me. Oh, God. Are you proud of yourself? There's the shoe.
Dude, look at my shoe. I got shoe. Dude, that was amazing.
I got that on film.
Really?
I got
Dude,
that on
that's
film.
so
I'm still filming.
Alright, stop it, dude.
Are you hurting?
Yeah, dude, I'm really hurting really bad. Dude,
Would you hurt yourself?
Dude, my dad's gonna be so mad at me.